I need help. I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. I need help. My right breast, the right eye. Sinabi ko nang patayin na yung bansot na bubo, camouflage harassment. I am on a situation of resting. And then, the bobo camouflage tends to on my right eye. Please naman, no help. I not want that person. Erotic. That person enjoys of being kabit. Please naman, no help. I not know when that person will be dead. Only I have is panaginip that being slashed the head. Is that relative of that person? Slash head as well. There is casket on Cagayan. Naan to think about it. I am now on June. Talking. I am previous day I am talking about May 2019. Then already on June 2019, my talking is about relationship na me and Alex Jr. ko year 2019. It is during homeschool is me. COVID-19 is June. June exists. Coronavirus. And then homeschool of myself is year March 2020. No, December 2020, 2019. What could I say more on year 2019? Baby Lord, they tends to rent the house on third floor. Child of Tita Baboy Karen Talanya. Second cousin of myself. Second degree cousin. About Baby Lord. Year 2022. Year 2022, Christina Ferrer tends to be such as on talking, saying child of Christina Ferrer is Baby Lord. And then pervertness of them, bullying myself. Yeah, kabata-bata eh. There is person as well on Baby Lord. I want to think about them. English speaking is Baby Lord. I tend to, wait lang. I just did exercise today, year 2025, and then I am on resting, and then pampering and relaxation. What else could I say on Baby Lord? What you call that? Babysitter is me. Second degree cousin. That is why I know when it comes on, huh? Baby. Alina. I watch Alina and Tita Ninang. I like that person, but I not know if it is could be Tita Ninang Jen. Alina, I watch it when it comes into bathing. That is why I know, but I not usually uh, holds baby. My foundation, that is, I not want to say the word foundation. Ayan na! Lumalabas na memory ko! Ay, I'm not that person saying tends to put on school, Andrea Faye, Alina, and then Allen. The about it is such as winning a lotto. So the lotto vibes during year 2018 on myself. That is the content of what I am saying in here. It is being says that during year 2018 my mouth tends to something such that uh, school parang dito when to win a lotto, if there is a lotto, schooling for Andrea Faye, Alina, and then Tontoy is being provide something such that year 2018 there is, I not know why may mouth say of such that that is a series that is about lotto. Now I am talking of redundant. My redundant is year 2021. Year 2021 is my redundant. And then year 2021, year 2020, year 2018, redundant. And then another information that about lotto. Why does my talking is such as putting on not to be found? Not no. When it comes onto the lotto, it is on the right forehead. That is the talking about lotto year 2018. And then the Taiwan year 2019, this November. That is as well part of my panaginip. Watching it on television. It is being news that year 2019 it will exist. And then that is part of my panaginip. So panaginip year 2014, imagination open eye year 2014, happens November 26, 2019. So that is correct. I saw it on television. The money is being forced from above. What else? I could feel Tito Unod. Vibes is killer. Not know why. Imik ko. Wait. What else could I say more? No television on Taiwan there is. I watch on television. It exists. I am watching with Lola Ama. I not know name of Lola Ama. Anong ulam? What else you 2018? 2018 is as well Brent. Panaginip and then imagination, open eye. And then my mouth is saying Andrea Faye daw. Why? Not know. Not okay. Overlex ko. My mouth says in here on the right side during it during when it is being says Brent when I cite it says Andrea Faye. That is my panaginip. Panaginip, imagination, year 2018. It does not yet happen. Tahimik ko. I want to behave. And then, what else year 2018? During that moment when it comes onto Lotto, saying about schooling, myself is on hard situation, hard feeling, and then scared because I have no money and yet when it comes onto Lotto, my mouth talking so easily. I not know why. That is not me who talks about indoor. No, the word is being emphasized. The letter F, letter A, letter I, letter T, letter H. I not know what it means. I misses my boyfriend, husband, lover. Year 2, Alex Jr. ko. Curve. My eyebrow is curved as well, such that. let's see. And then it is line, curved trees, curve. And then when it comes onto Brent, I not know Brent during that moment, year 2018. What I just have is panaginip and imagination. I saw black hair. There is black hair and then blonde hair. I saw indoor pantalon. That wears pantalon. Navel legs ko. And then when it comes to Andrea Faye, when my mouth talks about Brent, and then when I see talks about, I I say during the 2018 that Corina says about Brent, it is exclusive school. Even her exclusive school that is, I am looking from inside of the car during that moment. And then this is how I say it. Synchronous. And then my mouth says Andrea Faye in here on the right side. And then the feeling of myself during that moment is chest pain. Pressing such as this one on my chest bone. I'm not the person who says about Lotto. It is such that. And then I am staring on the Brent school when going at Batangas. Angriness of myself. I feel annoyed if on myself I not say that person, and yet the mouth of myself will tends to talk about that person. About Andrea Faye, is that annoy? The right eye is annoy. On myself, I am no thinking process during that moment. What I have is such as blind. Oh, the other description on my eye is such this. From the from the right eye tends to from the right eye tends to put on the left side. So the meaning of it, the power the black magic of the right eye is high level, meaning to say from in here to in here. From in here to in here. That is the black magic of the person during that is a description of myself when I say when myself is blind. Myself tends to be blind on left eye, no thinking process. Ganun. Hala. I put my baby in the school of what is on my panaginip. I not want to talk about it because there is person, maybe she thinks a gold digger, the right eye. She thinks about the age of my baby. That is what is being says True love, the age. I am waiting for the third bebe. True love of them, the age, specific age. So yeah. What else? I feel shy as well on about Lotto when it comes on to fate. Letter F, letter A, letter I, letter T, letter H. Ew. Scare. I not say that. That is my situation during year 2018. I not say it and yet my mouth talks about it. Ano ba yan? The content of it during year 2018 is name of Andrea Faye and then number such as million. Wait, I will just go outside. Appreciation is me. What else on about Lotto in 2018? I am at Batangas during that moment. And then, my mouth says, adapt during that moment. And then what I say is, bakit to mag-adapt? May lover ako. Yun sabi ko. Weird. On English translation, why do I adapt if I have a lover? That is year 2018. And then, the right eye during that moment. Right eye, right forehead or right eye. Tends to get something. Tends to get something which is, I not know, it is such as ganon. After I say that about adopt, not know about it. Year 2018, month of it is, when is that? Vacation month, April. No, no, no. I leave of absence year 2018, the whole year. I not know of what month. And then, uh, nothing more indoor. Myself, be impressed. The chest pain, chest bone. It is chest pain during year 2018. And then, oh, but chest pain nga, it is so heavy when during year 2018. Sakit nila, nakit. On Brent as well, pressing, meaning to say someone tends to use black magic or voodoo doll and then uses needle to hurt me on chest bone. It is chest pain. And then I will now on Baby Lord. Excuse me. On Baby Lord. Ano ba yan? Si Allen lang gusto ko hawak. Hmm. Clinic as well, touch it with guantes, with gloves. So that to know if there is breast cancer, that is acceptable. If it is clinic, doctor, that is year 2016. I feel shy. And then year 2019, Baby Lord touch it. And then smashes the head or forehead on wall on my bedroom. And then my mouth talks, such as demonstration. That is so ache. I am not demonstration. What I talk is my personal life that being on Black Magic. Demonstration. I am just inside of my bedroom and then there is person that watching. Demonstration it is. I'm not the person who talks about it. What is on myself is, oh my god, something such that. Bakit ginawa ka ng something such that? Bad that is. Something such that is what I will say to the kid, to the baby. Ano ba yan? Ay, Alex ako. And then, Baby Lord smashes his forehead on the wall. That is not his body movement. Someone is doing body movement to do that to Baby Lord. And then when it comes to that, I not want to think about it. I will just care on my own self because I not know how to use black magic, and then there is specific person that knows how to use black magic. They know how to use black magic. Myself, I not know how to use black magic. On myself, I will talk. What else? I will about to say already of such that portion. Ay, Miko, because they is targeting the farm. Precious Kusendico is targeting the farm, bullying, and then putting chest pain, heart pain illness, and then does not want me to be rich. I not want that girl. I am looking in that. What else? Information, baby Lord. I I bake baby Lord, baking on table. Observation on myself, mature. Traumatized. I not want to touch it. Nandidiri ako. Ay, ito. Ay, do I side it? Ay, look on it. And then, I know how to baking, kid. I know how to baking, kid. I watch it. I watch it on uh, Tita Ninang that is. Tita Ninang ko. Tita, I want, I put the, not yet I put, I make up. I feel shy. Madaldal, talkative. Maghabos. Never collects ko. That is during year 2019. Tita Ninang. Myself during year 2019 is a bride to be wedding about. Alex Jr. ko propose on myself year 2017. And then, there is nothing more to say in there, baby Lord. Scare when I am lifting baby Lord and then putting it from third floor to second floor on the stairs. I feel my eye is something such this, something. Wait, Corina. Himiko. And then, in the eye is such this, the eye vision, and then this one is circle. It is such as ganon, and then something such that. When I from third floor to second floor, my eye is such that. Left eye, right eye, there is right eye. It is such as. Hala! Baby Lord is my second degree cousin. Mine is mine. I'm not boastful. I will have a baby as well. What it is about? Farther, farthest side, farsighted. It is farsighted, farsighted. Maybe he as well farsighted. I not know. Basta that is the description. I-research this. Farsighted, the meaning of it. That is skills. I feel happy. And then, that is my moment, that is my feeling during walking on the stairs from third floor to second floor. And then, it is scary because I live a baby. That is that about it is, ang tawag doon? Fear on fear on heights. Only the eye of myself fear of heights. The eye, this eye, heights. Uh, Maybe vertical, not horizontal. The far sighted. I not know. Basta miss, far sighted. Horizontal, far sighted. Vertical, If a person wears goggles on ocean, farsighted they sight. Myself is farsighted as well. It is such as uh, vitamin, farsighted, level, parang on charge, on phone charge, it is such as 100%, something such that. I not know. Year 2018, when me and Corina go at Rosamond, Batangas. Why cited that is? I not know how they cite it. They tends to hurt my eye. I never hurt my eye. They slap it of such as ganun no. Very wrong. Year 2023, year 2022. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. Grabe days. I don't know why. I eat mostly pumpkin from year 2014, year 2015, year 2016, year 2017. Something such that. They return it on myself. They return it. I am farsighted 2020 vision. Why I could sight blurry in here? Not know. Let's see. Pumpkin is vitamin on eyesight. That is what is being said of my college friend, Joylyn Rangel, during year 2015. Year 2015, year 2016. La! I feel sad and then about to cry when I say Joylyn Rangel. I not want I not want something a symbol of face of Jaylin. I not want bubong mo fly. Ay, dali naman kayo mo. Look alike of Joylin Rangel. Kaya nga, timi ko. They want me to work at Mondenisin. Myself is working on a company of which is my tummy is big already. That is year 2019. Imagination open eye and then panaginip. I wear dress during that moment. I not know what company is that. That is why I will click when it comes into job. I not know eh. Oh, ala! Oh, I will have a baby. Ayang. I not know if it is Makati or Taguig. Timik ko. And then, it is being watched of Ati Taba, Ati Christine Esperanza, year 2021. And then, she assumed that she is that person even though that is myself. Oh, weird. Why? Oh, my face is such that. Cheeky bone. The cheeky bone is, this one is deep. That is myself. It is fat already, oh. I see. What else on year 2019? Corina knows how to care a child as well. Corina. What about Corina to Baby Lord? Baby Lord on the 7-year of Black Magic is putting on talking as well. Saying the father is the sexual harassment. Why? I not know. That is during I am thinking if year 24 or 2023. It is year 2023. Year 2024 it is. And then they is saying I am the mother. Oh no. Oh, they is saying it. The right eye. I not tends to assume. Naon yun. Ang bastos. They tends that is the and I want to say it that I am not the mother of the baby Lord. That is my second degree cousin. What about Christina Ferrer? On Christina Ferrer, Bobo Camouflage, the partner. I have a memory with Christina Ferrer, American. Ate siya, ate. They is on year 2022. They getting, they is three girl. Christina Ferrer, Jumelin Cantor Gonzalez, and then Precious Crucendico. And I want to think about them. That is how they interfere on myself. What else? Why myself is being put on year 2022. I not know why. Mine is mine. Nandidiri talaga ako. What else? Year 2019 is me talking. Pure is me. I not tends to touch it. And then, they tends to touch the name. I will have a baby. That is my second my that is not my baby. That is my second cousin. Second degree cousin. And then um, the right eye at the moment is talking, not talking. Na on to think about it. Talk. I'll talk now. Hmm? I'm not, let talk. What am I about to say is the right eye. Is something such is such as why pretty face at the moment, something such that. I will talk now. I am on year 2019. Wait. After May 2019, June. So there is no more. Father of Baby Lord, I already say it. But the father of Baby Lord of what I say to the right forehead is Tita Karen. Baboy. Karen Talanya. Karen Talanya. Karen Talanya. And then, Gomez. Gomez is I not know the partner of Tita Karen. Someone interfere. Timid to. Naan you. Nothing more to say. There is pattern. No, non-pattern. I talk impromptu. Alina. When it comes to Alina, holding is me year 2010. Nay. Year 2010. I'm not a rapist. I'm not a rapist. Year 2018 as well it is. Say, ayaw kita. Wait. Should I talk? Talk lang, talk. I will now say about that, about rapist. I'm not rapist. Traumatize it. Wait lang. Bakit? Totoo na, traumatizes me. Baby cooing, the effect. Baby cooing. Hoy, year 2018, they puts me on traumatization, baby cooing. The effect. Harassment it is. Heavy at the moment. Wait. I need to say it so that myself is on happy already. But what am I saying is happy of myself. So I socialize to them. I not think of them during year 2019 or during year 2018 or during 2017. Even my life existence, I not talk to them, I not think of them. I enjoy my life on such as a gala mode with classmate. The bobo camouflage is truthfulness killer on this situation. Not want you. That person is on alibi, creation of alibi at the moment. They is putting hypertension on my self-illness. I could feel my back is on pain. They getting of what is mine. They is preparing about my talking. The kabit number 2 says letter P, letter A, letter L, letter I, letter T, and then the English word of it is letter C, letter H, letter A, letter N, letter G, letter E. The girl gender kabit. Myself being talkative year 2018 is because myself is such as being released from in here. There is heaviness in here. I'm such as this illustration of myself, such this. In here not heavy, but in here it is heavy. Such that my neck description, it is heavy. Ganun. Description it is. Description. What else? Year 2018. I will say now about the rapist. I'm not rapist. Someone on the right eye, right forehead, is angry towards me because of the word rapist. The person insists that person is opposite gender of girl gender. Very bad person. That person criticized me. Kumain ka na, Corina? Kakain ka na? Sabihan mo pagkakain ka na. In 2018, I feel pain at the moment. I could not talk about it. I could not say about the details about it. When I talk of details on my talking, it is as it is. That is the length of it. That is the about it, and then they getting feeling about. I will talk now. June 2019. Grabe. Ayan na. Someone is shocked. No, I'm here. Dalagang Filipina ko. It is in here, right eye. Why such this feeling? Something such that the feeling of it is it, it is in here. I am correct. It is in here, right eye. But the length of it is such this. They is trying to be in here. I am correct. Not boastful. If a person is natural that not use black magic, there is no in here. Why left? Right. Why not left? Why not on the left? On the left, I have panaginip. Panaginip. Hmm. Left eye. Left eye as well. There is my family. But the location is right eye. Relative. I not think of. I will talk now. There is my situation at this year 2025. Pag ganun. I will talk now. Year 2025, year 2019 June. Is that voice of Ate Michelle? I not know. I want to talk already on June 2019. So on June 2019, assuming, oh, the assumer on the right eye. Truthfulness, as I say, right eye it is. The vibes of assumer. The person the person that assumed during year 2019 June enrollment is about tuition fee of myself, saying that is from Alex Junior mo, something such that. Hmm. While myself is thinking, bakit naka-plastic? No. That is on myself. Why it is on plastic? And then on the right side, assumer vibes. The vibes. Assume. Thanks to assume of such as, that is from Alex Junior mo. That is what is being says in Tagalog. Kay Alex Junior yan galing. Something such that. And then, when the effect of it on myself is chess. My chess is being such this and then being such this. But person talks on my right ear at the moment. Does not want me to talk. What the person says is contradict on what is I feel. What I feel is angriness of the right eye. Ayan na, wants to smash me. Contradict. The person that talks on my right eye is not similar on what I feel. What I feel is chest pain and then it is about right eye. Why? Because of socialization. That person that talks on my right eye, right ear is I have banding. This person on my right ear, right eye should be killed talaga. I have a socialization that this right eye should be killed because of not even wants myself to socialize. That is why I put it is good as well that I did Facebook live video because of manipulation. Kaya nga, they tends to manipulate so that myself is such as on their killing situation. I not want them. Hindi ka masusunod sa buhay ko, punyeta ka. Please kill the person on my right eye. Sige na naman. No, back pain. Please kill. Because my existence, I should have a socialization eh. What they're doing is getting my feeling. My feeling. The feeling is there tends to get it. And then they uses it. And the use of black magic. I will talk. How to remove the right eye. That is as well says of Alex Jr. ko. Kabit number 2 is so criminal. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. My baby never will in there. I know how to think. They tends to suffocate me at the moment. The right eye does not want me to socialize. Very wrong. I have a moment with Argel Poyo during fourth year high school. Eileen Rivera, Lea Pagunsan. It does not happen. And then the person about it is is being looked of Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez. I not know why. Why? Not know. That is Chibugan. Guitar, moment, lyric. Not know. I not know why it does not exist. That is as well a good memory. Grabe. Even car, they not want me to have a car. That is Bobo camouflage doing. That is why I wish talaga the Bobo camouflage in this situation be dead. Truthfulness, that person dead will be dead. When it comes to Precious Crucendico, putting heaviness on myself, the heaviness of the car, she is putting it on myself so that I could have heart pain illness. She tells specific person to do about that. I not know how. The size of the car. And then putting heart pain illness on myself is such as heart pain illness. That is the black magic of Precious Crucendico. That is year 2023 with 2024. With 2024, I think there is. Chest pain at the moment. And there is multiple count putting heart pain illness on myself. The voice is similar to the voice of Richel Ang at the moment. The neighborhood, and I want to think about them. Hmm. Ayaw kita. Ayos ka. I will end my camera video at the moment, 1 hour and 20 minutes, and talk pa, talk. Ni 2018, Mrs. ko, Alex ko. Brown color. Yung tutong na Alex Jr. to. Brown color. The voice. A similar voice to Richel Angel Mentisa Sr. And then it is neighborhood. And then it turns to gay gender. Child of Ati Gemma. Na. With the right eye. Amy ko. No, tayo.
what I wear. This one is I not want to show. This one. I feel shy. Feel shy. I am fat. I am fat. I feel shy on fatness. On cloth. I'm not boastful. Not boastful. I feel shy. I talk on such days. I not feel shy. Not feel shy. My position is such tears. When I not want to talk. At the moment, they is clingy. I not want them. Those is the person that is pervert. They is not part of my socialization. They tends to ruin Dota boys. That is the vibes of the right eye, right ear. I not want them. Yan na. They tends to hurt me at the moment. They is putting traumatization on myself. They is pervert. They is erotic. And then they is putting me on craziness. And they use of black magic. And then they talks about of how to put me of such that feeling. And then they is anger, annoy. And then they is killing me. They is killer vibes. And then they uses it onto their motive of harassment. O, diba? Bad person be dead. It should have ribbon in here. Yeah, ribbon. What? The person that criticized me talks on my right ear. I tend to have a photo such this. My Facebook friends even before is all I know. But I not use it anymore. Maybe someone is on such that I not want to think about it. High school classmate is only what I socialize on to. The bobo camouflage talaga tends to hurting. Killer. The brown color. Hindi ko. Gusto. Punyeta ka. Please naman no, kill that person. They, I not want them. Clingy. I not want to socialize to that person. How many times should I say that? What count already I say that? Nakakadiri na. Gold digger. Bansot short height. Not even once of myself. Yan na. Kabit number 2 talks. Oops. I will talk now. Ano Alex, gising ka? Is you awake? Of what they're doing on myself? Year 2025, the kabit already is in a situation of getting my memory even though that is my memory. That is strategy of Bobo camouflage to put heart pain illness on myself year 2024 pa lamang. And then there is as well doing of kabit number 2, Wakin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri is to insult me. That is the level at the moment. I not know the effect of it when it comes onto feeling. Nakakaloka. What I want to talk now is oh, when it comes to Baby Lord, when they is about to talking, creation of situation or scenario, they tends to put it on myself talaga, on the right eye, right forehead. They is putting me on craziness. That is why I not want the tita. My talking is baboy Karen Talanya because of that person is hurting me. Kaloka. Please help me. Myself is being hurt. They tends to get of what is mine. I could hear the voice of the pok-pok on my right ear, GRO. What's such the black magic of that kabit? Even the sun, she is getting something. I just noticed. I not know if that is that person. Only specific person when it comes onto sun. Shine. My life existence is being getting. Kakain ka na, Corina? I will just eat at the moment 1 hour and 31 minute and 55 seconds. When I eat, it is Alex Jr. ko, not other person. That is why the assumer, please naman, patayin mo na, be dead, right eye. Hindi ka ginugusto eh. I am Connie Ann. I am not Christian Grey or even Alex Jr. ko. The name is Alex Ang Gemetisa Jr. ko, also name as Manuel Quezon the First. Mahimik siya. Umalis. That person wants to be and wants to interfere talaga. Truthfulness. And then, erotic, pervert, harassment. 1 hour and 33 minutes and 29 seconds.